All right, my man. Step in there.
All right.
All right, step right in there.
Got it?
One leg at a time.
One leg at a
watch
time.
your head.
Watch your head, all right?
Is wearing obviously hat, t-shirt.
I'm stopping. I'm going to check you out. What happened? What? You fell.
Yeah,
What happened? Can you move at all?
I can't move.
What? How your leg is all the way up there?
Understand me, listen, brother.
All right, I can't move you, so I have to hold on. I'm gonna have to go get an ambulance.
Listen, no.
Huh?
Yes, but understand.
Go ahead.
I fall. I cannot move my arms.
All right, do not move. I can see moving your arm.
No.
Okay.
Look at my hand.
All right, hold on.
Help.
171.
171.
Can you start a signal 1? The subject in the van, he said he fell inside the van and he can't move. So I'm on my way to detention right now. So please, can you start me signal 1 over there?
Cops, either we can move you or you can wait till AR with you.
Listen, I cannot move.
Slide down, my man.
No, Jay.
Yo, slide down so you can get out of here.
Look. If you gotta drive me, do it across home.
Alright.
Fuck what I like. I'll let her relax for a bit.
Alright, there you go.
Now, almost there. You're almost there. You gotta get your shoulders out. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Stand up. There we go. All right.
Get up.
How you making out? Ready? Actually, go get the. Huh?
You ain't cracking. You just drink too much. No, you drink too much.
Okay.
Sit up.
We ain't gonna take you out. What's your
I can't feel shit, bro.
Sit up.
Stop playing around. Oh my God, bro.
Yeah, sit up. You're doing extra shit. Sit up. Sit up. What else did you have? Did you have any drugs and alcohol?
Listen, no.
You're not fine. How much? Okay. How much did you have to drink?
Oh, see.
Oh my God, yo, fucking broke my heart.
No, with the kiss. Huh? With kiss.
Sit up.
He's perfectly fine.
Hey.
You know, put these on? Yeah. Hold on now. Hold on now.
All right.